Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Train Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. And also, just FYI, I have a brand new option course I just released on teachable.com. It's 4 hours of content, 30 plus videos. If you're new to options, if you want to learn a little more about options, it's the perfect video. There's a link down below in the description that you could click on. And right now we're doing 30% off the course. So for our kind of a release of it, I just released it yesterday. So I want to take care of everybody. If you purchase it, again, 30% off. And also, you get my S&P Emini future trade zones for free. The lifetime subscription. So it's a lifetime subscription to both of them if you want it, or you could do just the S&P Emini future trade zones only if that's all you trade, and those are $50 for a lifetime subscription. So make sure you go check that out. And as always, let's jump right into the video. So this is the video for the weekly watch list for May 3rd, 2021. Is the stock market crash coming? I believe so. Now, how big of a crash? Couple percent maybe, but there's a lot of things that I don't like, but let's go over it. So right here, if you've been watching the last few weeks, I've been having these trend lines, right? And we keep touching our head. Well, guess what? Up here, we have divergence, right? Massive, massive divergence. New highs. Okay. It's a telltale. How many times do we see this pattern start to roll over? Second, major telltale why I think the market's going to roll over. Sell in May and go away. I think that's real this year. I think it's going to be a weaker month versus a stronger month. Just the massive move that we've had. But look at this. We had over 13 days with higher lows. So this is our reverse waterfall. Break to the downside, fail. Go back up, break again for about 2 days, make new highs. This, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. But this candle, what happened was we gapped higher, right? We gapped higher, opened here, ran up, and then reversed and took out the previous day's low. That is a very bearish move right there, right? And this is a bearish engulfment candle at the high of a move with divergence. Today, okay, what happened was, yes, this same day we retraced all the way back up to the highs we opened, but then we sold off the entire day and we actually made new lows. If we zoom in, you could see this candle made a new low. So we're now in a waterfall. I actually think we may gap lower. Now, one thing that I want to show you guys is this candle pattern right here, which is a little shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline, inverse head and shoulders, maybe. But I actually think if we lose this level, if we gap lower over the weekend, we're at least coming down to this 4130 level, at least. But let's go back to the daily, the 2 year. And my ultimate goal, and remember that level is just the lower end of the trend line. That's going to be our very first resistance, right? Or support. But I would love to see a move all the way down because remember, we actually have very poor structure on the way up that I've talked about over the last couple of weeks. So that's what I think. I think, yes, the stock market crash is coming. How hard of a crash? We'll see. Hopefully a couple percent. My ultimate number, I have a butterfly on for the 400s on SPY. And let's take a look at SPY. Okay, look at this ugly reversal. Poke your head up, look above and fail. Yeah, that can't get more bearish than that, right? Okay, on SPY. Okay, that's a bearish move. take that out. Oh yeah, I don't want to. Everybody's trapped, right? Everybody who got long on the gap, they're all trapped. Massive divergence. So I'm not a big fan of it. But I think at least get down to this 400, 402, 403, hit the 50 period. I would love that in the next couple weeks. I have a 395, 400, 405 butterfly on. And you could do that for literally 15 cents in May. Right? You're risking $15 to potentially make. If we get down here at expiration, that thing could blow up to about $485 if we closed at options expiration. But if we kind of make a move down here in the next week or two, that butterfly will expand from about $20 all the way up to probably $1.50, maybe, I'm thinking, with a nice 15-point move lower over the next couple weeks. So we will see. So that's it there. Let's go through the usual suspects. Okay, crude oil. Midweek, I said, watch this trend line. We kind of went higher. Today, we sold off things in India with everything, the pandemic out there. It's starting to kind of hit where they're now being shut down again. So that's affecting crude oil. So just keep an eye. But look at this. Major kind of lagging on the RSI. I'm going to go back to shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. I think if oil falls, the ESs fall. And also, let's look at Bitcoin/BTC. Even though BTC does its own thing, goes up a little bit. Maybe we see this 58 and then a roll back over. I would sit there and just say, watch this. Okay, we're in a reverse waterfall 1-2. If we take out that low, watch out down below, lower highs, lower lows on Bitcoin, I think. Now, one more thing with Bitcoin, really cool. Starting Monday, May 3rd, 2021, they're coming out with micro future Bitcoin. Okay, so a breakdown is every $5 is like 50 cents. So every $100 of a Bitcoin move is going to be $5, and every $1,000 move in Bitcoin is going to be $50 win or loss. So it's essentially the micro Bitcoins are 1/10 of one Bitcoin. So it gives us a new trading vehicle to kind of really play Bitcoin, but not risk a lot of money. Meaning if we get back up, hey, maybe I get short at 58,000. My stop might be, we'll say 61. So we're risking $3,000, okay, of price movement, not notional, but of price. But if we could get down to 45,000, this is what our risk reward would look like, right? Here to just here. Okay, this is our risk. This is our reward. And if we kind of drop 13 points, 13 times 5 is what? 12 times is 60, 65, $650 for only $150 worth of risk. This is where these micro Bitcoin futures are really cool. So keep an eye out on that. Let's look at gold real quick. Gold, nice little bear flag forming right here. W pattern, just a pullback, but nice little bull flag. Again, if the market falls, does gold start to go up? Because gold has been lagging. Also silver, same thing. Silver, nice little bear flag. Look at this inverse head and shoulders, pop to the upside. Boom, double top, pull back. I like silver to the upside too if the market does start to roll over. And let's take a look. And this is why I'm bearish on the markets, okay? I've been telling you guys, watch this 38 to 40 level. Look at that. Apple comes out with the best earnings ever, and they go down. Microsoft, best earnings ever, MSFT. See if I could spell it. And we'll try this one more time. Okay. And goes lower. Okay, Amazon, AMZN made more money, tripled their profits, couldn't make all-time highs. The market's weak. I think everything is fairly valued. Tesla, great earnings, goes lower. Okay, I'm just showing you there's a pattern going on. The market is weak. I think everything is fairly valued. I've been saying Tesla, dead money. Apple, dead money. A lot of stuff out there is dead money because what happened was they ran up too much, and now the earnings, they're good, but the stock already made the big move, right? So if they keep moving up, they just become, their P's become too much, and it doesn't become a value anymore. So with that said, be careful out there. I think this is a week. Also, make sure you check out my option course. I think you'll really like it. It's really easy to understand how it works, stuff like that. Like I said, 30% discount, coupon code. All the links are down below in the description. Same with the S&P Future weekly trade zones. Remember, if you buy the course, you also get the link to sign up for the trade zones for free for life. So, and the video course is also life and is for life. And I try to do it really professional where it's on teachable.com. They're the ones who are hosting it and all that. So as always, thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you guys find value in this, in the videos and all that. And make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys think the market's going to start to roll over in May. I'd love to hear your comments. So have a great weekend. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.